Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili pickle at home. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a delicious and long-lasting condiment. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, focusing on freshness and quality. You'll need about 500 grams of fresh chilies, along with key spices and a good amount of mustard oil. Let's get started on this flavorful journey. Now, let's prepare our ingredients for the pickle. First, carefully wash and completely dry your chosen chilies. This is crucial for preventing any mold. Next, you'll want to slit each chili lengthwise, but keep the stem on. Then, we'll lightly roast and grind our whole spices, creating a fragrant blend that forms the heart of our pickle's flavor. This preparation sets the stage for a fantastic result. Moving on to the cooking and mixing phase. Begin by heating about 150 milliliters of mustard oil until it just starts to smoke, then let it cool slightly. This process mellows the oil's strong flavor. Next, add your prepared spice mix to the warm oil, followed by the slit chilies. Stir everything thoroughly, then mix in approximately 60 milliliters of vinegar and 2 tablespoons of salt for perfect seasoning and preservation. Finally, let's talk about storing and enjoying your homemade chili pickle. Carefully transfer the finished pickle into clean, sterilized glass jars. It's important to ensure the pickle is completely submerged under the oil. This creates a protective layer and helps with preservation. Store these sealed jars in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. For the best flavor, allow your pickle to mature for at least 5 to 7 days before you start enjoying it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.